Hi, I'm Elena from Italia. In this video, I present to you the new Easy Press Mini, a small heat press that is used to apply heat transfer vinyls on garments and small objects, or on uneven surfaces that cannot be customized with the traditional heat press. It is also very practical to add small details to existing applications without the risk of ruining them. Let's see together the multiple uses of this handy, compact, and economical tool. Easy Press Mini is compact and lightweight. It has a size of about 10 cm x 10 cm and has a weight of only 500 grams. A plus that differentiates Easy Press Mini from the other small heat presses on the market is the size of the plate, which is larger than the others. It is 10.6 cm long and 6.2 cm wide. It is very fast to heat up because in just 1 minute it is ready to use. To turn it on, just hold down the power button for a few seconds. You can set 3 different temperatures by simply pressing a button. L temperature, low, corresponds to 140 degrees Celsius. M temperature, medium, corresponds to 160 degrees Celsius. H temperature, high, corresponds to 190 degrees Celsius. During the heating phase, the selected temperature light is on red. When Easy Press Mini reaches the temperature, the light will turn green. For any doubt, in the packaging you'll find a leaflet with the explanation of all the steps. In addition to the leaflet, you will also find a perforated safety base to support Easy Press Mini during processing, thus protecting the surface you're working on. Forward, the box contains a practical fabric bag to store Easy Press Mini and always carry it with you. In fact, this is the ideal tool for both professionals and for those who do it as a hobby. In the world of do-it-yourself, many times iron is used instead of a professional press, which you can now replace with the Easy Press Mini thanks to the many advantages. Let's see the main ones. An advantage is the distribution of the heat. Unlike the iron, Easy Press Mini has no hole on the plate. This allows the heat to be the same over the entire surface of the plate, and this prevents colder and warmer areas. The plate has the same heat at all points, even in the corners. Another advantage is that it allows us to do very small jobs, but especially on uneven and more complicated surfaces than the iron. This is also thanks to the comfortable handle and the precision tip of the plate. We also consider other practical advantages compared to professional presses, which heats up quickly, takes up little space, and can be used on any workstation. How can I best use Easy Press Mini? It is definitely perfect for applications on small garments or uneven surfaces such as shoes, hats, ribbons and bags in non-woven fabric, and small applications on difficult points, such as the collar of a shirt. You can also add details to existing applications without damaging them. For example, on this t-shirt we applied BF Mirror Soft Silver that loses its shine if it is repressed. To add this small word Italia, I can use Easy Press Mini without ruining the effect of the BF Mirror film. To realize this application, we can help with the pressing pillow. Easy Press Mini can be used on all fabrics and all surfaces and has no material limits. We use the pressing pillows from B-Flex to properly apply and smooth surfaces. We decorate this stuffed animal, which is difficult to decorate with the traditional press because it has an irregular surface. I use the large pressing pillow as a working base. We decorate the mouth of the dragon with a flame cut on the film BF Glam Red to achieve a holographic effect. BF Glam applies to 140 degrees Celsius, so we set Easy Press Mini to the lowest temperature by selecting L. We weed the excess material. I place the flame inside the mouth of the dragon, 140 seconds. I position Easy Press Mini and apply with circular movements counting 12 seconds. There is no need to press because Easy Press Mini already has its own weight and no additional pressure is required unless the film used requires higher pressure. Remove the liner while hot. Here is our decorated stuffed animal. It was quick and very easy thanks to Easy Press Mini. For more information on where to buy this product and the price, please write to us via our website and our social networks, or leave a comment below this video. Thanks for following us. Ciao!